Here's a recipe for Pla Chon Lui Suan, a traditional Thai herbal fish salad. This dish is known for its vibrant flavors, combining fresh herbs, spicy chilies, and a tangy dressing with crispy fish. Ingredients. For the fish: 1 whole snakehead fish, Pla Chon, or 2 fillets of any firm white fish, e.g., tilapia or sea bass. Half a cup rice flour or all-purpose flour for coating. Vegetable oil for deep frying. A pinch of salt and pepper. For the salad: half a cup lemongrass, finely sliced. A quarter cup kaffir lime leaves, finely sliced. A quarter cup Thai bird's eye chilies, thinly sliced, adjust to taste. A quarter cup shallots, thinly sliced. A quarter cup mint leaves. A quarter cup cilantro chopped. A quarter cup fresh Thai basil leaves. A quarter cup young ginger, julienned. 1/2 cucumber, thinly sliced, optional. For the dressing: 3 tablespoons fish sauce. 3 tablespoons lime juice. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 to 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 to 2 bird's eye chilies, minced, optional for extra heat. Instructions. Prepare the fish. Clean the fish. If using whole fish, clean and score the fish on both sides. If using fillets, pat them dry. Season and coat. Lightly season the fish or fillets with salt and pepper. Dredge the fish in rice flour or all-purpose flour, shaking off any excess. Deep fry. In a large pan or wok, heat enough vegetable oil to deep fry the fish. Once the oil is hot, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit per 175 degrees Celsius, carefully add the fish. Fry until golden brown and crispy, about 4 to 5 minutes per side for fillets or 8 to 10 minutes for whole fish. Remove and drain on paper towels. Prepare the salad. Prepare herbs and vegetables. In a large mixing bowl, combine the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, Thai bird's eye chilies, shallots, mint leaves, cilantro, Thai basil leaves, and young ginger. Add cucumber slices if using. Mix the dressing. In a separate bowl, mix the fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, minced garlic, and minced chilies until the sugar dissolves. Taste and adjust seasoning to balance salty, sour, and sweet flavors. Assemble the dish. Combine salad and dressing. Pour the dressing over the herb mixture and toss to combine. Serve. Place the crispy fish on a serving platter and top it with the herbal salad. Alternatively, you can serve the salad on the side. Garnish. Garnish with additional herbs and lime wedges if desired. Tips. If you prefer a milder dish, reduce the number of chilies in both the salad and dressing. This dish is best enjoyed immediately after preparation to maintain the crispiness of the fish and the freshness of the herbs. Enjoy your homemade Pla Chon Lui Suan, a refreshing and flavorful Thai herbal fish salad that is perfect for a light, healthy meal.